Hello everyone and welcome back to another video at Jajabor Chronicles. Sela Pass, the crown jewel of the experience that is Arunachal Pradesh. A historic site for multiple reasons and one of the most sought after destinations for travelers. This is a video of Sela Pass as we encountered on our return journey from Tawang. While going to Tawang, we were met with snowfall and strong winds. So although we stopped for a while, we couldn't make the most of it. Luckily, on our return journey, we got fair weather and clear skies, and this is what we experienced. Bordering Tawang and the West Kameng districts in Arunachal Pradesh, Sela Pass has an elevation of 4,170 meters, that is 13,700 feet. It connects the Buddhist town of Tawang to Dirang. The road through Sela Pass is the National Highway number 13. The pass supports scarce amount of vegetation and it is usually snow covered to some extent throughout the year. The Border Roads Organization works to keep the pass open throughout the year. Temperatures in winters can dip down to minus 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. Sela Pass does get heavy snowfall in winters. It's usually open throughout the year unless landslides or snow requires the pass to be shut down temporarily. This is one of the highest motorable mountain passes in the world. On the Sela Pass lies the Sela Lake, near the summit of the pass. There are approximately 101 lakes in the area and each of them are sacred to Tibetan Buddhism. Government of India has recently announced the Sela Tunnel for all-weather connectivity to Tawang. The construction started in 2019. This is going to be accompanied by a strategically important railway project to bring Tawang on the railway map of India through the Bhalukpong-Tawang railway. But the Sela Pass will always remain a must-go destination for all travelers. Time for some photographs and stay tuned for our next video. Jibon Jajabor, stay nomadic.